Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about gender discrimination. Gender discrimination is unequal treatment based on gender. Therefore, it is a type of discrimination that includes sexual harassment, pregnancy discrimination, and unequal pay for women who do the same job as a man. For example, statistics reveals that 1 in 3 women worldwide have experienced physical or sexual violence. Gender discrimination is possible to observe when person's gender become a factor when deciding who receives a job or a promotion, also when gender is a factor in other decisions about employment opportunities or benefits, or when the employer has a preference for men or women who are not on childbearing age, among others. Even though the fact that men can also be discriminated against but because they are gender, this problem affects many women in the world, even if the country is considered a developed country. For example, according to Pew Research Center in USA, the 42% of women have faced discrimination at the work. For our country, Colombia has a gender pay gap approximately 23%, which means that a man who does the same job as a woman on average has a 23% higher salary, and women feel more discriminated against at work. This figure is very worrying. The gender discrimination should not concern only women because this is an issue that has an impact on whole society, for example, on issues such as education or economy. It's important to highlight that the recent research carried out by ICLAC, OECD, and World Bank concludes that the inclusion of women in the economy generates more possibilities for economic growth, and at the same time it has a positive impact on income distribution. That means that the inclusion of women in economy is possible. For example, Nordic societies are the most egalitarian according to World Economic Forum. Closing these gaps will not be easy because before the pandemic it was estimated that it will take 200 years to close the wage gap between men and women. Now that number has increased. But as a society, we must decide to close this gender gap because in this way we will improve the quality life of many people, and also we will create a place where everyone can access the same opportunities.